Okay, today we went south. Our plan is to go to Blue Cypress Lake. So let's check it out. Let's ride. We have been getting a crap ton of rain, so today's going to be a road trip. Unless we see something very interesting. It's a very humid day today. So far it's 9:30, 84 degrees. Not too bad. Oh. Look at the big old deer out there. Another one. Couple of bucks. Air smells so very fresh out here. Trees are pretty. Big old alligator just came up. And of course there's the Africa Twin. 2022 CRF 1100L DCT. I really love that DCT. Guess we can't go very far, the water's right there. Absolutely gorgeous out there. And that sun's warm already. Okay, we had a raccoon cross the road. It's got vultures all over here. Now they're hanging out in the shade. Pretty smart. You know, I mentioned earlier how much I like the DCT, the automatic transmission on the Africa Twin. A lot of people say, well, that's not really riding. Shifting is riding. Well, my rebuttal to that is, how do you feel about electric start? Cruise control. Things evolve. Things get better.